Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is apartment. It's a simple yet essential noun that refers to a set of rooms to live in within a building. Whether you're a language learner or just here to expand your vocabulary, you'll find this word incredibly useful. So, what exactly is an apartment? It's a living space, usually self-contained, that's part of a larger building. Think of it as a home that shares walls with other homes in the same structure. For example, you might say, I just moved into a new apartment downtown, or this apartment has a great view of the city. Let's explore some synonyms for apartment. Words like flat, suite, and unit are often used in similar contexts. For instance, she rented a lovely flat near the park, or our hotel suite had 2 bedrooms and a kitchen. These words can add variety to your vocabulary and make your conversations richer. On the flip side, let's consider some antonyms. Words like house, villa, and cottage describe standalone living spaces, which contrast with the shared nature of an apartment. For example, they decided to buy a small house in the suburbs, or their vacation villa was located by the beach. In everyday life, apartment is a word you'll encounter frequently. Maybe you're looking for a new place to live and browsing online ads that say, spacious apartment for rent, or chatting with a friend who just redecorated their apartment. It's also common in idiomatic expressions like apartment hunting, which refers to searching for a place to live. Here are a few more examples of apartment in sentences. We hosted the party in our cozy apartment. The building manager fixed the leak in my apartment. Their apartment is just a short walk from the train station. To sum it all up, today we explored the word apartment. We defined it, looked at synonyms like flat and suite, contrasted it with antonyms such as house and villa, and discussed how it's used in daily life. I hope this helps you feel more confident using apartment in your conversations. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Don't forget to create your own sentence using apartment and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to read your examples. See you next time.